is to expose the viewers or trainees to the various types of IoT sensors and RIoT-Hub from RF Solutions Limited, United Kingdom. The IoT sensors include temperature and humidity sensor probes. They are commonly used in weather stations, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning systems. Also used for home automation and environmental monitoring. Others are switching transmitter sensors. They can be used for remote sensing and control of lights and machines. Water leak sensor. These are used to check the uncontrolled flow of water for domestic and industrial applications. AC power mains sensors. These are to monitor and control of power mains. pH sensor, used to determine the acidity or alkalinity of a substance. There is also green-blue algae sensor, in other words, CYANOBACTERIA sensor. These are used to determine the presence of microscopic photosynthetic organisms commonly found in various aquatic environments. Example is in water quality control, fish pond, and greenhouse. Hence, we have long-range PIR sensors. PIR means Pyroelectric Infra Red or Passive Infra Red sensors. We have ammonia and nitrogen long-range sensors. They are used for air quality control, especially in oil refinery and the chemical processing factories. Also available are long-range dissolved oxygen sensors to check the crucial parameters for water quality that influence aquatic life and various chemical processes. This presentation also serves as prelude to installation workshop training on the above named sensors, incorporating remote control transmitters and receivers using RIoT-Hub gateway.
RF Solutions started in a bedroom in Lewes many years ago. Where then required, an optical robot arm will inspect with a camera, and then they'll go through to any hand processing where an operator will perform soldering. We then will flash program, again an automated process via computer, and then everything is 100% tested. So this involves typically using spectrum analyzers to look at radio signals coming out of or going into a product before finally being packaged and labeled and then go back into the warehouse.